The region has been rocked by another heinous incident of moral policing. A young woman was subjected to severe humiliation and torture in Arunachal Pradesh's Changlang district. The irony is that women are seen victimizing a fellow woman as men were seen cheering. And police have already initiated probe into the matter. We have this report.
Big shocker from Arunachal Pradesh. Moral policing raises its ugly head again. Woman tortured, humiliated in public at a village in state's Changlang district. These are the visuals from Deori Gaon under Deun police station in Changlang. An irate mob delivered a Khap Panchayat-style instant justice on a woman. In the incident which took place on the intervening night of September 25th and 26th, the victim was disrobed in public and hair chopped off. The irony is that women are seen victimizing a fellow woman as men cheer. Clearly, there is no regret among the perpetrators who are vindictive and even seen deriving sadistic pleasure from the act. Even as the woman's ordeal lasted for a considerable amount of time, no one came to her rescue during the incident. There is more than one version doing the rounds regarding the issue that triggered the violent action. Talking to Northeast Live, Changlang SP Mihin Gambu informed that as many as 15 persons have been arrested in connection with the incident so far.
You have made considerable progress in that Deori Gaon incident where that woman was tortured by some villagers.
Okay, right.
How many people have you arrested so far?
So far, figure is come up to 15.
15. Okay. And this incident, was she a married woman or was she being, meted out this punishment because she married somebody which the villagers did not like? What is the exact case actually?
No case now, it is under investigation.
Yeah.
Actually, the incident was happened on the intervening night of 25 and 26 September.
Right.
And we come to know about the incident through social media viral on 2nd October.
Okay.
So immediately we registered a case and then we have launched the investigation, and so far we have arrested as many as 15 accused.
Okay. Now, what is the complaint against the girl? Why are the people giving her this unnatural punishment?
No, that is the part of investigation. That thing I cannot reveal now. Husband is also arrested.
He is also among the accused.
Yeah, he is among the accused and he is also arrested under police custody.
Okay, Mr. Gambo, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.
Meanwhile, strong condemnations have poured in from women's rights activists. The clamor has grown stronger, demanding stern actions against those involved in the inhuman act.
वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेटली औरत के साथ जो भी वायलेंस हुआ उसमें सिर्फ मर्द नहीं है, औरत लोग भी है। तो इसमें एक सोशल एजुकेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है। जहाँ पे कानून का काम है तो जनता जो है कानून को अपने हाथ में नहीं ले तो अच्छा है। फॉर्चुनेटली वहाँ का जो डायून का DYSP काफ़ी प्रोएक्टिव लगता है। उन्होंने वायरल वीडियो हाथ लगने के बाद सोमोटो कॉग्निजेंस लेके जो गांव बुढ़ाज है उनसे FIR वगैरह शायद करवाया है। तो उम्मीद है कम से कम जो इंस्टीट्यूशन है जस्टिस डिलीवरी का उन लोग काम करेंगे इस पे।
So who is to be blamed for such incidents? Is it lack of sensitivity or absence of strong laws that allow such incidents to reoccur? What prompts women to target fellow women during such cases? There are so many questions that need immediate answer. With inputs from Ripunjoy Das, News Desk Report, Northeast Live.
ডিচিশনটো লৈছে নাই